Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this very simple but still very delicious salsa. To make the salsa, you will need tomatoes, salt, lemon juice, onions, cumin powder, garlic, jalapeno, pepper, and cilantro. Start by washing and cutting the ingredients. Then put the onions, garlic, and pepper in your food processor and process it. Now add the tomatoes, cumin powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and cilantro. Process it again. And there you have your delicious homemade salsa. I would love to know what you guys like to eat your salsa with. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.